Hey, it's James Nicholson, and on this episode of More Leads Mondays, I want to talk to you about how you can get more sales and leads that ultimately you can sell to with your e-commerce store. So right now, I'm sandbagging here in Dubai. Absolutely great experience, and the e-commerce world is a lot harder than it used to be. Now, in times gone by, you could turn an e-commerce site on and people would find you and you get sales in your sleep. But times are different now. You've got a big behemoth in Amazon that dominates most of the e-commerce space. You've got to be very different to be successful with the e-commerce world. It's still very straightforward to do, but most people aren't willing to do this work that needs to be required to do that. Now, with e-commerce, what you need to do is, whether you like them or not like them, look at someone like Kylie Jenner. She's one of the most successful e-commerce sellers in the world. She's the youngest billionaire in history. She became a billionaire at 21, selling her cosmetics via her e-commerce store. And what she did was she started with content. It's all about the content, all about the products, reviewing the products that she sells herself, showing you how they work in different environments, and ultimately that led to her getting a following that bought her products and services as soon as she launched them. Now, if you're an e-commerce store, what you need to do is look at reviewing your products, maybe having a blog that is the go-to place. So say you're a fashion site, then you're going to have a blog that talks about things similar to like Elle and Cosmopolitan and those sorts of sites. You're going to be editorial. You can't write, you get someone to write for you. You're good at camera, get yourself on video, because that's going to be really impactful on your blog as well. Other things are like reviews of your products and your services, as well as other people's. So maybe you sell other people's products. If you review those products, honestly, if they're bad, give them a 1-star review. If they're good, give them a 10. But be honest, because you need to really sell with sincerity. So that is the strategy to be successful in e-commerce. You don't need to worry about traffic. Traffic will come. If you build value, people will share that. That's how you're going to go viral on things like Facebook and YouTube, is by putting these reviews out, putting this content out that audience will be attracted to. So look at this where we are now. It's absolutely beautiful out here. So yeah, I hope you found that episode of More Leads Monday useful. If you're watching this on Facebook, like my Facebook page. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe and hit the bell so you get notifications on when the next More Leads Monday will be out. Thank you for watching. See you guys soon. And if you want a copy of my free book, in the description below I'll put a link and you can grab a free copy of my book, Expert Mastery. So see you guys soon. Bye for now.